I want to eat this leftover chicken. Foil keeps it very warm. I will warm it up quickly. In you go, yummy chicken. Just 1 minute is enough. It is spinning very well. What is that bright light?
It sounds very scary.
Oh no, what is happening? Mom, help me please! Mom, please help! Help me please! Henry, step away from it! This is very dangerous! I must stop this now! Thank goodness it stopped. I was so scared, Mom. You are safe now. It is okay.
We heard a loud noise.
The machine made scary fire, Dad.
Let me see the problem. I will open it slowly.
It smells like burning.
You put aluminum foil in there?
It is very hot now. Let us put it here.
Why did it make fire, Dad?
Microwaves use invisible energy waves.
These waves look for water.
They heat up water inside the food. Foil is made of metal, Henry. Metal acts like a mirror. The energy waves crash together. This makes dangerous sparks and fire.
I did not know that, Dad.
We must use safe bowls only. Here is a glass bowl. Let us do it the right way. We put the food here.
This lid is safe for the microwave. You can try again now. I will put it inside. Just 1 minute is enough.
Wow, no fire this time.
The food is ready now. It smells very good now. The bowl is very hot. Lunch is finally ready. Good job, Henry! I am sorry for being careless.
I am proud you learned a lesson.
A safe choice is a smart choice.
This chicken is very yummy!
Please listen closely to me. The kitchen can be tricky.
We must follow safety rules carefully.
We are ready to listen.
Do not put metal in the microwave.
It will cause dangerous sparks and fire.
Always use glass or safe bowls. Ask an adult if you are not sure.